In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a private server on Roblox for PS or Xbox. Now, if you play Roblox on console, you have probably noticed there's no direct option to create a private server. And yes, this applies to both PS5 and Xbox. But don't worry, there is a simple workaround, and once it sets up, you will be able to use your private server anytime. So why would you even want a private server? First, you don't have to worry about random players stealing your items. Second, it makes trading and moving items between your accounts much easier. And overall, the game just feels more relaxed and convenient. If you mainly play Roblox on console, this is a game changer. So before I start, here's one important thing you need to know. To create a private server for PS5 or Xbox, you must use another device like a phone or PC, but only for the setup part. Once the private server is created, it's yours forever. You don't need to repeat the process again. To do this, you have two options. Ask a friend on PC or mobile to create the private server for you, or do it yourself using a second Roblox account. I highly recommend the second option, and that's exactly what I will show you in this video. So first, create a secondary Roblox account. Once that's done, add your main console account as a friend. Now let's switch to the phone view. Log into your secondary Roblox account, then search for the game you want a private server for. I'm using Brookhaven RP since it's one of the most popular Roblox games. Tap on the game, scroll down, and go to the server section. Here you will see options to create private server. Now keep in mind, creating a private server costs 79 Robux. That's roughly about $1. And honestly, it's totally worth it. Go ahead and confirm the purchase to create your private server. The next step is extremely important. Tap the three dots next to your private server, go to configure, and make sure allow friends to join is turned on. If you don't enable this, you will not be able to join the server from your console. Now that everything is set up, switch back to your PlayStation or Xbox, log into your main Roblox account, go to your friend list, find your secondary account, and tap on it. And just like that, you will load straight into your private server on console, even though Roblox doesn't officially support it. This is a quick and easy workaround, and it's been incredibly helpful, especially if you mainly play Roblox on console. I hope you liked the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.